What's up guys, it's Russian Swagger here and today we're gonna unbox this beast over here. It's Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. Well, let's start. First we have to open this shit. And now we just open it. This looks so beautiful. So we take out the device. And here we've got, let's get right into the box. Here we have the book. I bought it in Spain, so it's Spanish, English and English. Then we've got the key for the SIM card. This and here is the adapter, the cable, and the headphones. Quite well, I don't really know if I'm gonna use these ones because the earbuds are, or even the Beats are better. There is nothing else in the box, so. Now, just take it out. I bought Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus, powered by Android. Samsung. So now we have unlocked. The Edge looks really nice. The display also is beautiful. So this phone is one of my favorite phones that exist. The back of this shit. The back is also beautiful. So I don't know what else I can say about it. It's like insane. Now let's unbox the case and we're finishing. So I chose the golden one. It looks really beautiful, but actually I wanted the gold phone, but at the end I went for the blue one. So look, this is how it looks like in the case. This is the back. That's beautiful. I don't know what else I can say except that this phone is the best. So like, subscribe, and peace.